Hi friends, welcome to my channel on raw food recipes. Here I discuss recipes that do not require any kind of frying, roasting, cooking or any heating as a matter of fact. I try to make recipes that are appealing both visually and to the palate. So today I want to discuss about little lemon juice before the summer is out. I wanted to take advantage of the hot summers and then have something that is interesting to chew on for those silly moments when you don't have to eat anything but still you want to chew on something. So you need to know obviously what is interesting about this particular recipe. So for one, because we are making from lemon, there are loads of vitamin C and as you know, it helps in cold. And also we use ginger, both vitamin C and ginger help build the immunity. And then this has got a very chewy kind of feel to the bite. And I would like to munch on something that is healthy rather than completely full of sugars, devoid of anything that is really required for the body. So you have come to the right place if you are looking for some such recipe. So how do we make this? This is actually one of those pretty easy ones which doesn't require any kitchen gadgets at all. We just take one lemon, salt, a small piece of ginger and a little bit of honey. So we start with the lemon, just cut it into thin slices, as thin as you can make. And that's about it. The first step is done already. Make sure that you de-seed them. We do not want any of these bitter seeds in the pieces when we chew them. So for the next step, what we will do is we will take a small piece of ginger, about half inch should be adequate, and after removing the skin, we will chop them as small as you can. We don't want to crush it, but then chop it as small as you can. And then we will take a small bottle or something for the sake of convenience and add a pinch of salt into that. And to the same container, we will be adding about 1 tablespoon of honey. The honey will compensate for the extreme sourness of the lemon and also will be adding useful nutrients to the chewy bites. We'll vigorously mix the ingredients so that the salt is able to mix very well with the honey that we have poured into this bottle. And now we will add each of those lemon slices that we have cut into this bottle, and also we will drop that ginger that we have cut into small tiny pieces. Make sure that each of the lemon slices is well coated with the honey. That is very important because we will be eating the lemon slices one at a time and not all of them together. Therefore, we want to make sure that each slice gets enough coating of the honey and some amount of ginger and salt as well. And then what I did was I basically stored away this overnight, took them out the next day and sun dried them over a plastic sheet or anything that doesn't stick to itself. The sun drying usually takes at least 2 or 3 days under a hot sun. When it is completely done, you shouldn't see any kind of wetness. If the material is still wet and then you store it away, it will not last for long. So make sure that it is completely dry before you store it and start eating them. The final bites that come out are chewy in nature. They will have the sourness and the spicy flavor of the ginger along with the sweetness of honey. This is a very interesting snack kind of a thing that you want to have once in a while and enjoy it. So try and see if you can make this recipe. It's not hard, doesn't require any kind of kitchen gadgets. The summer is still on, the sun is quite hot. This is the time you would want to use it. While you are there, can you please hit that like button and the subscribe to the channel if you have not done it already. And also please post your comments. I want to see how the recipe looks for you or tastes for you when you made it. Thanks for your time.